I'm Deborah with WTI. I have with me today this MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Lash and 3D Black Mascara. Now, what I love about this mascara is that it adds nice volume and length to my lashes. So my lashes are really thin, so I like that it has that effect on my lashes. So I've already applied some on this side, as you can see. So I'm just going to apply some here so you can watch how I apply it. And it is really easy. It glides on really nice and smooth. And I'm not sure if you can see it here. Because of how the bristles are, it grabs each lash, and you can also use it for your bottom lashes. It's really good. It grabs small fine hair, and it's really good to get in the corners of your eye. And as you can see, it gives it a nice volume as well, and it gives it a nice curl as well. So if you can see it there, and it doesn't clump up at all. So this, if you're looking for a mascara, I absolutely recommend it. This is what it looks like here. So I definitely recommend this mascara, and that's my point of view.